It's lunchtime. I'm gonna break that soggy. Install. Was ist das? Was ist das? Oh, that's what that is. Oh, yeah. This is Dana G signing off for Project One a Day. I look like I'm dying, and I'm gonna go clean out my car. Easy. Good boy. Oh, so yummy. Nah.